Don't worry, I'm not going to sing, but I'd like to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. I hope you enjoyed your Saturday. Now, let's continue being master connectors. Let's really develop the skill of solving problems, helping other people by growing the network around us in a smart way. So Judy and I, we are inviting you tomorrow from 1 to 3:30 for a Master Connector workshop. We have been thinking about and working on this for several weeks, and we're excited to see you there. I saw on the list that Grit already has 27 of their members signed up. We have included several opportunities for breakout rooms, and we will be covering some topics that we have been learning from Robert Scrobe in other sessions where we have been allowed to attend. So we're really excited to share this with you tomorrow. See you there and sign up today if you want to attend. Thank you.